Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Hello mga ka-istorya! Welcome back to At Home with Mardy. This February, we begin a meaningful journey, one that explores extraordinary personalities whose lives shook the world. Not just because of fame or headlines, but because of how they live, how they chase history, and how their stories ended. These are individuals who didn't simply stand in the spotlight, they stood firm in their principles. They faced criticism, took risks, challenged systems, and proved that real influence comes from conviction and courage. Their stories go beyond popularity. They are stories of sacrifice, resilience, reinvention, and impact. And for today's vlog, we turn the spotlight to Mahatma Gandhi. 7 real amazing facts about him. A man who shook the world not with power or weapons, but with peace. Through nonviolent resistance, unwavering discipline, and deep moral conviction, he helped lead India towards independence and inspired movements for civil rights across the globe. Beyond sa image ng isang payat na lalaking nakasuot ng simpleng puting tela, may isang mas malalim at komplikadong pagkatao. Isang taong ang kanyang mga desisyon, paninindigan at tahimik na pamumuno ang nagbago sa kapalaran ng isang bansa. His life reminds us that true strength does not always roar. Sometimes it stands quietly and still changes the world. So this February, let's go beyond the surface. Let's understand not only what shocked the world, but why it did. So stay with me mga ka-istorya, because here at Home with Mardy, every story has a meaning. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. So here are real, amazing facts about Mahatma Gandhi that shape his life and legacy. Number 1, he was born on October 2, 1869. On October 2, 1869, sa tahimik na baybaying bayan ng Porbandar sa Gujarat, India, isinilang ang isang batang lalaki na balang araw ay gagalaw sa konsensya ng buong mundo, si Mahatma Gandhi. Raised in a modest home shaped by faith, discipline, and deep moral values, young Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi could hardly have imagined the path ahead of him. Ngunit, mula sa maliit at payak na simula, umusbong ang isang leader na ang panindigan sa katotohanan at non-violence ay nagbibigay inspirasyon sa milyon-milyon at muling humubog sa pakikibaka para sa kalayaan. Number 2, he studied law in London. Noong 1888, umalis si Mahatma Gandhi sa India at nagtungo sa London upang tuparin ang kanyang pangarap na maging abogado. Nag-enroll siya sa Inner Temple, isa sa mga kilalang Inns of Court kung saan masigasig at may disiplina niyang pinag-aralan ang batas. Habang nasa London, na-expose siya sa iba't ibang kultura, idea at filosofiya na tahimik na humubog sa kanyang pagkatao at paniniwala. Matapos ang ilang taong pag-aaral at personal na paglago, naging ganap siyang barrister noong 1891. Bagamat bumalik siya sa India bilang isang abogado, ang kanyang karanasan sa London ang naging isa sa mga paghahandang magdadala sa kanya sa mas malaking papel sa kasaysayan. Number 3, his activism began in South Africa. In 1893, Mahatma Gandhi traveled to South Africa for legal work, unaware that this journey would awaken the activist within him. One cold night in Pietermaritzburg, he was forcibly removed from a train for refusing to leave a whites-only compartment, even though he held a valid first-class ticket. That humiliating moment spent shivering on a railway platform became a turning point in his life. Sa halip na umuwi sa puno ng galit, pinili ni Gandhi na manatili at harapin ang matinding racial injustice na nararanasan ng mga Indian at iba pang non-white communities sa South Africa. Doon nagsimulang mabuo ang kanyang matibay na panindigan para sa katotohanan, dignidad at mapayapang paglaban. Ang karanasang ito ang tunay na naging simula ng kanyang panghabambuhay na pakikibaka para sa pagkakapantay-pantay at karapatang pantao. Number 4, he developed the philosophy of Satyagraha. Habang lumilipas ang mga taon, unti-unting hinubog ni Mahatma Gandhi ang isang makapangyarihang idea na babago sa takbo ng pakikibakang politikal, ang Satyagraha, isang salitang Sanskrit na nangungulugang truth force o soul force. Para kay Gandhi, hindi kailangang gumamit ng karahasan upang labanan ang kawalan ng katarungan. Naniniwala siya na ang tunay na lakas ay nagmumula sa matatag na paninindigan sa katotohanan at moral na tapang. Ang Satyagraha ay hindi simpleng passive resistance. Ito ay isang aktibo, disiplinado at matapang na pagtindig laban sa pang-aapi, walang galit, walang paghihiganti. Kailangan ito ng lakas ng loob, sakripisyo at kahandaang magtiis kaysa manakit ng kapwa. Sa pamamagitan ng pilosopiyang ito, ipinakita ni Gandhi sa mundo na may ibang paraan upang labanan ang mali, na ang tahimik ngunit matibay na determinasyon at panindigan ay maaaring mas makapangyarihan kaysa anumang sandata. Number 5, he led the Salt March in 1930. In 1930, Mahatma Gandhi took a bold yet simple stand against British rule through an act that would echo around the world, the Salt March. At the time, the British government imposed a heavy tax on salt, a basic necessity of life, making it illegal for Indians to produce their own. Refusing to accept this injustice, Gandhi began a 240-mile journey on foot from Sabarmati Ashram to the coastal village of Dundee. Day after day, supporters joined him, transforming the quiet march into a powerful movement. When he finally reached the sea and picked up a handful of salt, it was a symbolic act of defiance that challenged an empire. The Salt March captured international attention and became a defining moment in India's struggle for independence, proving once again that peaceful resistance could shake the foundations of power. Number 6, he lived a life of simplicity. Mahatma Gandhi chose to live not as a powerful figure draped in luxury, but as a man of profound simplicity. As his influence grew, he deliberately set aside Western suits and formal attire, embracing instead the humble homespun cloth known as khadi. By spinning his own fabric, he sent a clear message: true freedom begins with self-reliance. Ang kanyang buhay ay naging malinaw na refleksyon ng kanyang mga paniniwala. Regular siyang nagfa-fast, hindi lamang bilang espiritual na disiplina, kundi bilang paraan upang makamit ang mas malinaw na pag-iisip, self-control at maging ang pagkakasundo sa gitna ng mga alitan. Hinikayat din niya ang iba na mamuhay ng simple, magtrabaho ng marangal at linangin ang moral na disiplina sa pang-araw-araw na buhay. Para kay Gandhi, ang tunay na pagbabago ay nagsisimula sa sarili. Through his choices, Gandhi showed that leadership is not measured by wealth or status, but by integrity, humility, and the courage to live out one's principles. And number 7, Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated on January 30, 1948. On January 30, 1948, the world fell silent as Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated in New Delhi by Nathuram Godse. The man who had dedicated his life to peace, unity, and nonviolence was struck down by an act of hatred, an irony that deeply shook nations across the globe. News of his death spread quickly, bringing grief not only to India but to the international community. Leaders and thinkers around the world paid tribute to his life and legacy, including Albert Einstein, who honored Gandhi's moral courage and influence. Bagamat nag-ukas ang kanyang buhay noong araw na iyon, hindi natapos ang kanyang mensahe ng katotohanan at non-violence. Sa halip, mas lalo pa itong umalingaw-ngaw sa buong mundo. Paalaala sa sangkatauhan na kahit sa harap ng karahasan, nanatiling mas makapangyarihan ang kapayapaan. In these 7 real facts about Mahatma Gandhi, we discovered a man who began with a simple life, traveled abroad to study, and faced discrimination, and chose to stand firmly for truth and peace. From South Africa to the Salt March, from his philosophy of Satyagraha to his life of simplicity, his story proves that a life grounded in conviction can truly change the world. His footsteps may have ended, but his principles continue to shine and guide future generations. Ikaw, alin sa mga aral ni Gandhi ang pinakatumatak sa puso mo at paano mo ito maisasabuhay sa iyong araw-araw na buhay? If you were inspired by this story, join me here at Home with Mardi, where we continue to explore real lives, real lessons, and stories that move the heart. Don't forget to like, share, and comment your thoughts below. Let's grow and learn together. Ug daghang salamat! Shout out to all my amazing viewers. Thank you so much for your comments and support. Reading your messages truly inspires me to create even more interesting videos. Your feedback really means a lot, and I'm so grateful to have you as part of my journey. Daghang salamat! Thank you very much for watching. And according to a famous quote, life fails to be perfect, but never fails to be beautiful.